posted this video on my channel. I got a lot of comments on I want to learn how to do this style and how to loosen out the style. So I'm bringing that good news. I'm going to share how to do it in this video. So stay tuned and watch. This style is called a chain stitch crochet style. So whereby you use your crochet to form that style. So it came from the idea of chain stitch. What is chain stitch? It's using your knitting pin, with your yarn to knit the style. I'll be showing in this video how they do it. So watch through to the end of this video so you'll be able to see how it is done. We're also learning. I actually saw the style and I'm like, okay, this style is a new style and I need to know about it. So I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. So watch so we can all learn on how to do it. I always bring you good news on how to do new things, so you can also learn. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll leave a comment on that post.
We are using crochet, so make sure each time you want to hold the hair, your hair starts here, not here. So your hair should always be here, okay? That is behind the hook of the crochet. Behind the hook of the crochet. See the hook of the crochet here? Your hair should be behind it. Alright, put the hair right under the crochet like this. You wrap it on top it once, then you wrap it under again, under, and then once the second time you want to wrap it, open the crochet hook like that, and then you wrap it inside the crochet hook, and then you close the crochet hook. You close the crochet hook like that, and then you pull it out. You see? Now you have now the hook to start your cornrows. Then now you hold the other hair and then you start. Remember I told you guys that this one is held tight. Then you hold the other hair and then make sure your crochet is always horizontal like that, not vertical, nothing. If not, you are going to pull the hair too much in front. Okay, now you open the hook again. Open the hook. The hook is in between these two hair behind. You can see. You see, as it is closing, you pull it. You can assist the front part to pull the hook. You see, we got another hook. Now we hold this third hair. We hold the other part of the hair behind. See, and then you pull. Remember, if you do like this, it's going to pull the hair. So put your crochet hook like this. So be careful. You put your crochet hook like that. You close it. Each time you put it under, you close, and then you turn your hand like that, and then you pull it. You see? Make sure you control the hair behind. To grip whatever hair you need, you turn it over, close the crochet hook, then you pull. Just like that. You see? Grip the hair, turn it, pull. You can always assist yourself to pull it out like that. Make sure your crochet hook is always vertical like that. Vertical, not horizontal. Anything horizontal is going to pull the hair in front. So vertical will mean everything should stay as it is. You grip the hair, you turn it, close the crochet hook, you pull. Just like that. Always control the hair behind. Do like this. And the reason why I keep pulling instead of just doing like the lady was doing was because this hair is a little bit straight. So the smaller pieces always comes out, that's why. Remember, your crochet hook is supposed to be vertical, not horizontal. Just like that. You have to do this on until you get to the back. So let's assume you are at the last hair at the back. This is the last hair at the back. So to give the tail of the cornrows, you continue on the tail, you crochet. Now you have to do now the crochet. If you have been crocheting here before, this is exactly how you have to do. Same thing, crochet, 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 crochet. You have to really, you can watch this video very slow. Crochet like this. And
after watching this, I know you've learned something new on how to do that chain stitch crochet cornrow. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also leave a comment under this post and like and share with your friends that would like to learn this hairstyle. Thank you. See you in our next video. Bye.